gonna lie guys, I have not been doing what I'm supposed to be doing and being on my Spanish every single day at 10. I'm sorry, haven't been on my Zoom.
You got to get on your Zoom. Every morning you got to get on your Zoom at 10.
But today we're bringing it back, okay? I have not been enjoying this hiatus. And if I want to be fluent in this language, I got to get it together. So I'm actually going to be taking, you know, a little page out of one of my favorite YouTubers' book and be reading a children's book, but with a little twist in it. So the rest of this video is going to be in Spanglish. In 3, 2... Voy a leer un libro para niños. También hablaré de lo que veo en este libro. Vamos a comenzar. A mí me gusta leer. A mí me gusta leer. So veo naranja si la silla, azul y amarilla camisa. ¿De qué color es tu camisa? Blanco y azul libro, gris pantalones, negro pelo y ¿cómo se dice? Wow. Muro es verde. Planta es verde. Claro. ¿A quién puedo leer? Ok, veo su hermana. Blanco la cama. Juguetes. Verde pasillo. No sé, pink. ¿Cómo se dice pink? Es rojo. Rojo es red. Rojo blanket. No sé. Blanket. La cama es also naranja. Y he looks confused. No sé, confused. Let's move along. ¿De qué color es tu la cama? Mi hermana es dormida. Oh. Su es, ¿cómo se dice sad? Su es triste. Oh. ¿A quién puedo leer? So, la silla es verde. La cortina es rojo. Y he's trying to find somebody to help him read, okay? You want to read with somebody. Tienes dos fotos en la pasilla. Okay. Veo los platos. Tu platos es blanco y naranja. Mi mamá y abuela están ocupados. So they're cooking. Mi mamá y mi abuela están ocupadas. La camisa de tu madre es verde. The apron de tu madre es blanco. La camisa de tu abuela es azul. Los platos son blanco y naranja. Tu madre pelo es gris. La cocina es rojo y marrón o café. Y están felices. ¿Cocinas con tu abuela y madre o no? ¿O solo? ¿A quién puedo leer? Su casa es amarillo y door es marrón. Steps rojo. Plantas verde. Su feliz ahora. He's thinking about his dad and uncle, I think. Let's see. Mi papá y mi abuela están ocupados. Veo rojo coche. Azul las ropas. Amarillo zapatos. Y amarillo casa. Gris garaje. Yo no sé. Y verde grass y tools. Yeah, I don't got that much outside. Afuera. verbiage. ¿A quién puedo leer? Puedo leer a mí mismo. I know that's right. Tu juguetes is maroon, naranja, rojo, azul. Tu cama is maroon y rojo. Asillo is azul. El muro is amarillo. It's just a great day now. You found out I don't need nobody, me, myself, and I. That's all I got to the end. That's what I found out. Instead of just reading the book for all the words in here, I try to talk about the things that I see to kind of use my vocabulary in a different way. I've made this statement before. When you are doing like learning new vocabulary, it doesn't make sense to just learn everything. So if you're learning house vocabulary, I made a video on that. You don't just want to learn how to say casa, cama, pasillo, cocino. Learn how to use those vocabulary words in a sentence, in a real life scenario. So moving back to when I was talking about his abuela and madre, I'm talking about the things that I see in the kitchen. Platos, red kitchen, the cabinets are round, like things like that. Sitting here talking about having a conversation about the things that I see. This is the best way when you're reading like picture books and things to get the best out of it instead of just reading like what the words say, because that's not really going to help you. What do you see? Alright, if you want to read this book, it's in the description box below.